Please pay attention to this dialogue. Let's see the dialogue 1. The dialogue 1, it is the conversation between mother and her son. Let's see. Derry, I talked with your teacher this morning. Derry, what did they say, Mom? They said if you come late more than 3 times, you will receive a warning letter. Derry, I'm really sorry, Mom. I promise not to come late again to school again. Mother, I'll take your words. What can we infer from the conversation? A. Derry had a trouble with her teachers. B. Derry didn't come to school on time. C. Derry promised not to come late again. D. Derry received a warning letter from school. E. Derry was warned by the school staff. Now, we are asked, what is the best answer to the question? Now, let's see the dialogue 2. The conversation between Reni and Mita. Let's see. I promised to take care of your baby. You don't need to worry so much. Many thanks, Reni. I wish to arrive home earlier and take my son. No problem. You can believe me. The question: what does Reni promise? A. Not to worry, overwhelmed. B. To bring the baby home. C. To look after Mita's son. D. Not to arrive home late. Not to arrive home late. E. To care for herself. Now, we have to know what is a promise. What is a promise actually? A promise is a commitment by someone to do or not to do something, or a declaration that something will or will not to be done, given, and etc. Making promise is the expression how express your promise to someone. Kira-kira maksudnya apa? Yang dimaksud dengan janji itu, janji merupakan komitmen dari seseorang untuk melakukan atau tidak melakukan sesuatu, atau deklarasi bahwa sesuatu akan atau tidak akan dilakukan, diberikan, dan lain-lain. Membuat janji adalah ekspresi bagaimana mengungkapkan janji Anda kepada seseorang. Now, what we have to do before making a promise. Apa yang harus kita lakukan sebelum berjanji? First, think about the promise before you make it. Pikirkanlah terlebih dahulu tentang janji itu sebelum Anda membuatnya. Second, be honest about your capabilities. Be honest about your capabilities. Jujurlah tentang kemampuan Anda. The third, Talk about the promise with another person. Bicarakanlah tentang janji itu dengan orang lain. Third, what's the things that you promised? Perhatikanlah hal-hal yang Anda janjikan. Finally, keep your mouth shut. Artinya, jagalah rahasianya. Jagalah mulutnya. Tutuplah mulutnya sebaik mungkin. Okay. That is the promise. Now, what are the expressions? Let's see some expressions with this response is expression I promise, I swear that, I blank blank blank. I promise you that, I swear to do something. Trust me, I can. I give you my word on that. Don't worry, I'll see you before I leave. Apa saja contoh responsesnya bisa kita lihat di sana. I believe in you. Okay, just give me time to answer. I wish you can keep on your promise. I'll wait for you. Ya, bisa kalau kita berjanji, I promise, kita katakan ya, I promise I'm coming to your graduation. I promise to practice my English. I promise I will let you know soon. Apa saja responsesnya? Okay, thanks, bisa kita katakan seperti itu. Just give me time to answer. Bisa kita katakan juga, don't break your promise. Alright, keep your promise. Atau bisa juga kita katakan, really, let me be assured. Kalau kita berjanji untuk tidak melakukan sesuatu, kita katakan, I promise not to. I promise not to go. I promise not to start the meeting without you. I promise not to break the glass. I promise not to speak loud. What are the responses? Apa saja responnya? Thank you for that. I believe you. Don't make me disappointed. I'll take your words. Keep your promise. Now let's see the discussions. Mari kita lihat pembahasannya. Kita lihat tadi dialog 1. Derry, I talked with your teachers this morning. Derry, saya bicara dengan guru-gurumu pagi ini atau pagi tadi. Ya. Datang si Derry. What did they say, Mom? Apa yang mereka katakan? They said if you come late more than 3 times, you will receive a warning letter. Mereka bilang, jika kamu datang terlambat lebih dari 3 kali, maka kamu akan menerima surat peringatan. Ya. I'm really sorry, Mom. I'm really sorry, Mom. Maaf, Bu. Maaf, Mak, katanya. I promise not to come late to school again. Ya. Mari kita lihat. I promise not to come late to school again. Saya berjanji ya, tidak akan datang terlambat lagi ya. Jadi I'll take your words. Saya pegang kata-katamu, saya pegang janjimu katanya ya. Jadi pertanyaan di sini, what can we infer from the conversation? Apa yang bisa kita infer, apa yang bisa kita simpulkan katanya. Kalau kita lihat A-nya, Derry had a trouble with the teacher, ya. Si Derry punya masalah dengan gurunya katanya. Derry didn't come to school on time. Bahwa si Dedi tidak datang tepat waktu katanya. Ya, didn't come to school on time. Si Derry promised not to come late again. Si Derry berjanji untuk tidak datang terlambat lagi. Untuk tidak terlambat lagi. Promise not to come late again. Derry received a warning letter from school. Si Derry menerima surat peringatan dari sekolah. Derry was warned by school staff. Si Derry diingatkan, diperingati oleh pegawai sekolah. Maka jawaban yang paling tepat untuk ini adalah C. Ya, betul, C. Ya. Karena apa dikatakan di sana? I'm really sorry, ma'am. I promise not to come late again. So the answer is C. Now let's see the second dialogue. Reni, I promise to take care of your baby. Saya berjanji, ya, ada dikatakan di sana. Saya berjanji untuk merawat bayimu katanya. You don't need to worry so much. Nggak usah khawatir, ya. Nggak usah terlalu khawatir katanya. Many thanks Reni, terima kasih banyak Reni katanya. I wish to arrive home earlier and take my son. Dia berharap bahwa dia akan bisa pulang segera, ya, dan membawa anaknya itu. No problem, you can believe me, ya katanya. Nggak masalah, yakinlah katanya. What does Reni promise? Apa janji si Reni itu? Mari kita lihat. Not to worry, overwhelmed katanya. Gak usah terlalu khawatir. To bring the baby home. Untuk membawa anaknya pulang ke rumah, ya. To look after Mita's son. To look after Mita's son. Not to arrive. Tadi to look after. Look after. Look after itu mempunyai sinonim atau persamaan kata dengan take care of. Ya. Take care of. Take care of. Look after. Not to arrive home late. Ya. Dia berjanji untuk tidak pulang ke rumah terlambat katanya. To care for herself. Nah, ini udah agak larin, ya. Untuk memperhatikan dirinya sendiri katanya. Maka jawaban yang paling benar adalah yes, C. Ya, to look after Mita's son katanya. Karena si Reni, kata yang ditanya di sana, what does Reni promise? Apa janji si Reni? Ya, mari kita lihat. I promise to take care of your baby. Take care of tadi sama artinya dengan to look after. Good. So that's the answer.